Hello guys, today I will show you how to create professional packaging design in Canva. So first, head over to canva.com and type in the search bar packaging design. Select the template or the design that suits your needs. So, for example, we'll choose this one. Just choose a modern professional design and click on Customize this template. Now he will be redirected to the template edit page, so you can edit the text, the designs, the colors, the numbers, etc. So make sure you spend enough time to create and edit your design effectively. And when you're done, just click on here, download, and select PNG or JPG file, and click on download. Your design will be successfully downloaded to your local computer. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.